What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're going to be going over the first 10 things that you need to do when you get your hands on your new Samsung Galaxy A13 5G. So let's begin with the video now. Welcome to Search Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. If that is something that you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we discuss in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So first up, we're going to have disable ads during setup process. The first thing you do when you get a new phone, apart from inserting your SIM card into it, of course, it's going to be going through the initial setup process. This is quite straightforward as the instructions are displayed on the screen as you navigate through the entire process. However, there are a few options during the setup that if selected may not result in an ideal experience while using the phone. For example, Samsung is known to display ads and send promotional notifications on some of its phones. This can be avoided by deselecting any such options that ask you for permission to display promotional content. It's easy to overlook such checkbox while setting up the phone, but the rule of the thumb is don't blindly agree and select every option shown to you on the screen. Make sure you read the options of the screen thoroughly and select only the ones that are absolutely essential to the use of your phone. And the next one is going to be to buy accessories for your new phone. And this will include like getting any case, maybe a screen protector to protect your phone from any fall or maybe any scratch, and that way you're going to keep it looking like it's brand new. So I would totally recommend you get a good case and also a good screen protector for your new phone. Then we're going to have transfer data from your old phone. So Samsung gives you a nice option to migrate your data from an older phone to your new Galaxy phone. It is called Samsung Smart Switch, and the option to use it is presented to you while setting up your new Samsung device. What is cool is that by using this process, you can transfer all your existing data from your old smartphone to your new device. This includes apps, messages, phones, videos, and more. The best part is that Smart Switch even lets you transfer your data from an iPhone to your new Galaxy phone. Then it's going to be how to customize your home screen. So the beauty of Android is that you can customize various aspects of your phone to no limits. While some customizations require additional apps like launchers or mods for power users, you can get a ton of options inbuilt especially for Samsung devices. The home screen of your device is what you interact with when you first unlock your device, so it's a good idea to customize it as per your liking. You can change the wallpaper, add widgets, and try different icon packs, or even change the grid size on the home screen. To do this, just tap and hold on an empty area on your home screen to bring up the home screen menu. Now tap on home screen, and then here you can choose the home screen grid size, enable or disable notification badges on apps, and even hide your apps from the app drawer. You can also set up secure folder for sensitive data. So this is a feature that's quite underrated for Samsung Galaxy phones. Samsung devices have knock security, and a part of that is something known as secure folder. Enabling the option basically creates a folder on your phone that's encrypted with a pin or pattern that's different from the one used to unlock your phone. Once you create a secure folder, you can store sensitive information and data like photos, account numbers, documents, and several people store their credit card numbers, pins, and more on their smartphones. And while that is not a good choice, Secure Folder just adds an additional layer of security for such information. If you wish to set up the Secure Folder feature on your phone, just head over to Settings and go to Biometrics and Security. Then you're gonna head to Secure Folder and you'll be prompted to sign in with your Samsung account now if you haven't done it already. Now you can also remap the Bixby button. So by default, the key on the side of your Galaxy phone is used to turn the screen off and on with a single press. While that functionality cannot be changed, you can customize the long press and double press functionality of the key. To do this, just head over to Settings and then you're gonna go to Advanced Features and then Side Key. Here you can select what function you want to assign to the power button when you double press it or press and hold it. You can also use dual apps for messengers, and Samsung has added a nifty feature in the One UI that lets you create a cloned version of an app and use two versions of the same app on your phone. So if you have two SIM cards and you want to use two WhatsApp accounts for two versions of Facebook, you can do that as well. So just following a simple steps like heading over to settings and then advanced features. Then you're gonna go on Dual Messenger, and here you'll see the list of apps installed on your device that can be duplicated into a secondary app. Then we're gonna have improved multitasking with Edge panels. The Edge panel was first introduced to add extra functionality to the curved edges on Samsung flagships. Since then, it has made its way to several Samsung phones and is a great tool if you multitask a lot on your phone. It's a small translucent bar that rests on the edge of your display, and tapping on the bar reveals several options like quick shortcuts, various screenshot methods, favorite contracts, and even more. To activate and use Edge panel, just head over to settings and then display. Right here on display, you're going to go down to Edge screen and enable the toggle next to Edge panel. You can now tap on the small portion of the screen on the edge to activate Edge panel on top of any app that you're in. Then we're gonna have extend battery life with power saving modes. So most smartphones these days come with good battery life and last throughout the day if not longer. However, you may face certain situations where you want to extend the battery life of your Samsung Galaxy phone further. If you know you're going to be away from the charger for a long time, you may want to save up some juice for emergency situations. The Samsung phones come with 3 different battery modes. You're going to have the normal, the mid power saving, and the max power saving. And depending on the situation, you can switch between these modes. Now lastly, we're going to have customize every single aspect with Good Lock. So Good Lock is an app that can be downloaded via the Galaxy App Store, and you can customize every single aspect of your Samsung Galaxy phone with Good Lock. You can customize from the notification center to recent apps, the lock screen to the navigation bar. The app has got it all. So first head over to the Galaxy App Store and then download Good Lock on your phone. Then open the app to find all the various customization modules that serve different purposes. There's Notice Star, then Lock Star, and even more. So Good Lock even has a model to change per app aspect ratios to fit the screen. So I would say this is a must. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.